Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by disconnecting the battery negative lead and waiting about 5 minutes so the ECU and airbags go to sleep. This prevents shorts and accidental deployment. Once done, remove the lower trim panels and glove box to expose the hidden fasteners. There are plastic clips and Phillips screws. Make sure to keep fasteners sorted in labeled containers and photograph connector positions. These first actions open access to the dash shell and save time later when reinstalling. So work methodically and avoid prying plastic roughly. Continue by detaching visible components. Remove the instrument cluster, HVAC control panel, and center bezel so you can access main dash bolts. You will unplug multiple harnesses, airbag leads first, then cluster, HVAC, audio, and steering column connectors. So label or photograph each connection to avoid mistakes. Support the dash edge with a helper or a padded floor jack before loosening the main mounting bolts. Once you unbolt, the dash will shift. Make sure to release any hidden clips along the top and at the cowl to free the panel completely. Finally, lift the dash forward gently while guiding wiring harnesses and HVAC ducts through the firewall openings. Have someone steady the dash so nothing snags. Set the assembly on a padded surface and inspect all connector tabs, grommets, and airbag clips for damage. Replace any brittle clips. If a connector won't release, do not force it. Depress the retaining tab while applying a little penetrating spray and wiggle gently. Once clear, keep fasteners organized and reverse the steps for reinstallation, testing electrical systems before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.